Good day everyone, my name is Maria Isabel E. Alivio from BSED 21M and I'm here to explain how we could prove the laws of sine. So yung prove natin is itong equation na to. Yung A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. So ang laws of sine ay meron dalawang equation and it can be either the two. Kahit ano dyan, parehas lang yan and parehas silang tama. Okay, keep in mind na sa paghanap natin ng sine, ang kailangan natin is yung opposite and yung kanyang hypotenuse. Okay? Right. So, we will be using this triangle ACB in this discussion. So, okay, balik tayo dito. So, ginagamit lang natin itong sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse kapag yung triangle natin ay right triangle. So, in this triangle, para magkaroon tayo ng right triangles, dalawang triangle magagawa natin, maglalagay tayo ng line or ng height na to. Na galing dito sa angle C, papunta dito sa line segment AB. Since this is a straight line, meron siyang 180 degrees. Since nahati na siya, meron na siyang dalawang 90 degrees or dalawang right triangle. Okay, let's name this H. So, for sine A, ano yung opposite ng sine A? H. Hypotenuse niya naman, B. To find the value of H, we have to multiply both sides by B para ma-cancel out to. So, H is equals to B times sine A. Okay, we have the value of H. Now, let's proceed with sine B naman. So, sine B, ano yung opposite ng sine B? H, hypotenuse A. Multiply both sides by A. Then, cancel out. H is equals to 8 times sine B. Since ang H natin ay merong dalawang value, pwede natin sabihin na equal sila. Therefore, equal yan sila ha? So, B sine A is equals to A sine B. Now, para matira na lang yung B or A sa numerator natin, hanapin natin yung common factor ng dalawang equation. So, the common factor is sine A and sine B. So, divide both sides by sine A, sine B, sine A, and sine B. Then, yan, cancel out. So, natira sa atin ay B sine over sine B is equals to A over sine A, which is galing doon sa ating pinoprove na equation, C. Same triangle lang, but this time, ang gagawin nating line ay hindi nasa gitna, kundi dito sa angle A papuntang line segment AC. So, let's draw a line. So, ito na magiging 90 and this will be the other 90. Then, lagyan natin sine C is equals to, ano yung opposite ng sine angle C? Ito yung angle C natin. H din to, okay? H. Then, kanyang hypotenuse, A. Yan. H is equals to A sine C. Then, dito naman tayo sa A. Sine A ulit. Gaya kanina, we have H over C. So, multiply natin. So, H is equals to C sine A. Equal ulit natin silang dalawa. Then, common factor ng nilang dalawa ay sine A, sine C over sine A and sine C. Then, cancel out natin yung, yan. Then, cancel out natin yung like terms. Then, ang natira dito is A over sine A is equals to C over sine C. Which is same dito sa pinoprove natin na equation na laws of sine. So, this is how we derive the formula or the equation for laws of sine.